Nicki Minaj's Queen radio takeover starts now. Nicki promises surprises and special guests at every turn. Nicki Minaj's Beats One takeover, Queen Radio, is streaming now on iTunes. The program will run for 2 hours, and promises favorite cuts, unfiltered banter, and surprises and special guests at every turn. Given that Queen is due to drop next Friday, you can probably expect new music in the mix as well. Stay tuned for live updates. 5 a.m. today. After a late start, Queen Radio is well on its way. Nicki just revealed to Zane Lowe that Queen, the album, was just finished 3 hours ago. Thank you for your listening. Please subscribe our channel for more hot news.